Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for a good play to earn game on your mobile phone, whether it's Android or iOS? Then definitely this video is for you, because we'll be going through that in the next few minutes. But first of all, this video is only for educational purposes. It's not financial advice, and let's dive deep into it. So guys, here we are. Let's start with the first game. We have Arena of Faith. It's quite an interesting mobile play to earn game, and you will have everything you need here on the platform to get yourself going and get yourself acquainted. And here, this game, you can challenge other players, invest in esports club and competitions as well, and utilize the blockchain technology to transform the virtual equipment into real wealth, meaning that you can transform your earned assets within the game into real things you can use in the cryptocurrency space or blockchain technology, of course. And here you can have a look at everything. It will take you to become a leader here within this game. So if that's your cup of tea, then probably this one can be for you, and you can check it out, you can understand it more. And it's available also for Windows users. I believe that Windows support for mobile phones stopped a while ago, but if it's so, then it's also available here. And of course, it's available for Android and Apple or iOS users. So everything here in the description as well. Check it out and understand it more and get acquainted with the whole idea of this beautiful game. So going to the next game here, we have the MetaDOS. MetaDOS here, it's a battle royale. Pick your hero and get your squad and be the last one standing. So it's quite an interesting game as well. You can also get acquainted with the whole concept and the whole idea, and the platform itself, it's very interactive and very illustrative over here. So you can get an overview of what's going on, and it's divided also, it's structured and divided into a very understandable and digestible way. And simply speaking here, it's a next generation battle royale game using the time as a currency concept, meaning that time is crucial here within the game, and enjoy faster, more intense battles with the concept of time. Here you can play with some legendary characters known as players, and of course you can create teams, you can play against each other, and you can have fun with this game. And you can also customize, as you can see here, I'm customizing my character, I'm picking different characters and getting to know what are the advantages and points of strength for each and every character of these. So things are quite interesting and exciting over here, and you can adjust your weapons, you can adjust even further your characters and your arenas and how to get everything in place. And of course here they are having their team and advisors in front of you. So these are real people, enthusiastic, and they are quite excited about gaming. So you can also check them out and see what they're on about. So these are real people, they're not avatars. So you can also have a look at their background, what kind of industry they were working on before. And things here are quite promising with this game as a time concept within the game itself. So I would also highly recommend you to check it out. So going to the next one here, we will have the King of Fighter Arena. Also more or less similar, and is also available for most mobile phones. You will find here that the platforms supported are Apple, Android, and also Windows, meaning that you can play directly on the Windows or your PC. So you can have wide variety of range to play it on. And here you can have the look at the highlights and the parameters of this game. So more or less it's the same kind of concept. And of course you can earn money as you play this game, and you can actually collect your earnings, and then you can transfer them into whatever you want, whether you want to reinvest it in the game itself and enhance it, or probably you just want to cash out. So things here are quite exciting also and interesting. Community is growing, and also the team is in front of you, so you can have a look at the team. You can have the credibility of real people building a real thing, and the team in front of you rather than just an avatar. So it's people in front of you, and also you can check their official links, whether it's on Twitter or X right now, or also Discord and Facebook, so you can have a look and understand it and digest it more and get a glimpse of what they're on about. So moving on here to the last one I have for you, which is Arsenal. Arsenal here, I'm not talking about the football club, of course. Here I'm talking about this game that's available also for Windows 8, Macintosh, and of course Google Play and App Store. So you can almost play it everywhere, and it's a person shooter multiplayer game that's developed by Fabwell for gaming. So here this game is quite interesting because it's more or less like Counter-Strike, so things are quite nostalgic here. So if you used to play that back in the days, then probably you will definitely like this game, and it's also also available on your mobile phone, so it's kind of accessible and easy to use. And of course here you can read about it more, you can even watch some YouTube videos, and you can get the whole concept. And of course it's a play to earn game, meaning that the more you play, the more you earn, and then you can reinvest it or just cash out, depends on what's your purpose of this game. But generally speaking, it's quite enjoyable, and you also build teams competing against each other, and you will have wonderful time playing this game. So it's available on all major platforms, and things are also moving within the community. So I would also advise you to have a look at the community, interact with people. If you have any questions, you can just ask and see what's going on. But generally speaking, it's quite a straightforward game, very enjoyable, and also linked down below in the description. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about the play to earn games that you can use on your mobile phone, whether you're using Android or iOS if you're an Apple fan. So things can be quite interesting for you. Everything is linked down below in the description. Feel free to check it out, understand it more, and get acquainted with the whole idea. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave any comment you might have in the comment section down below, and until next time, bye bye.